Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna take you through parlay bets, what they are, and how you should use them to supplement your sports betting addiction. If you're looking for a place to bet on sports online, check out the link in the description of this video. If you use me as your referral, you'll score a 50% match on your first deposit. Parlay bets oftentimes are referred to as sucker bets. A lot of pro sports bettors just advise everyone to just stay completely away from them. I agree to a certain extent. I think that it is just extremely enticing to make a parlay bet. Basically, if you don't know what it is, it's predicting the outcome of multiple games, 2 or more games, and if you win, you get a lot more money than you would if you bet on those games individually. But if you lose any one of those games in your parlay bet, you don't win any money at all. So if I predict the outcome of 5 NFL games, I might only risk $100 to win something like $1,000. So it might look really good. It might get you really excited when you're thinking about it. Wow, I'm only risking 100 to win 1,000. But the truth is, the odds of predicting multiple games in sports betting, they're just stacked against you. And if you make parlay bets consistently, you're gonna run out of money eventually. It's only a matter of time. Now, I will say though, other sports bettors aren't gonna tell you the positive side of parlay betting. And it's very rare for this to come up, but the one time you should use parlay bets is if you want to bet on 2 things that are happening at the same exact time and you just physically can't put all your money into one game, take out your winnings, and then put all the money into another game. So I'll use my experience in my last parlay bet that was really a good one, and it was the NBA Finals. So I bet on the Cavs and the Warriors when they were both in their conference finals. They were both down 3-2 in those series, so the payout was really nice. I was predicting basically that they would win games 6 and 7 of their series. Both teams ultimately did. I risked $100 to win $350. So it was a really solid play there. And if I had taken that same $100 and put 50 on each team, I would have won far less than $350. So that was an example of when to use a parlay in an intelligent manner. Now, those examples come few and far between, but I'm sure we'll see them like in NFL football. If there's 2 noon games or 2 3 p.m. games that you really like, then it would be intelligent to do a parlay. But right now, I talked about it. Now I'm gonna show you guys using the bet calculator on Bovada's website. All right, so one of my favorite things about Bovada's site is the bet calculator on the right. You can play around with different numbers, what if scenarios, and you can ultimately see what you'd win if you risk money on different things. So let's just say that we want to bet on the New York Yankees and Washington Nationals, and let's just say they're playing baseball games on different days. I want to bet on the Yankees today, I want to bet on the Nationals tomorrow, and I have $100 to do it. That's all that I have on me, that's all that I have in my Bovada account, and I am 100% sure that I'm gonna bet $100, and if I win a bet, I'm gonna put it all on the Nationals. If I win the first bet on the Yankees, I'm gonna put it all on the Nationals, and then I'm gonna walk away and withdraw the money from my account. So if I were to bet on the Yankees and win, I would pool $45.45 profit. So I would then have $145.45 profit. So then if the Nationals won and I was 2-0 and I won both games, I would walk away from that with $348.13. So remember that number right there. Now, if I wanted to parlay it down here, if I wanted to parlay $100, I would walk away with $349.10. So $249 in winning, $100 in risk. So seriously, guys, if I were to bet on the Yankees, go all in, take all the winnings I would earn, and then put them all on the Nationals, I would literally get 3 cents more than if I parlayed 100 on the Yankees and Nationals at once. So it's actually more beneficial in this case to literally bet on the games separately, which is pretty crazy stuff, because if I do bet on it separately, I could potentially bet on the Yankees and then pull $50 out and say, you know what, even if the Nationals win, I'm still saving 50. So like I said, the only time it would make sense to parlay something is if you are just all in, confident on 2 things that are happening at the same time. So for me in the NBA Finals, I was sure that the Warriors were gonna get to the finals, and I was sure that LeBron was about to get to the finals. So I said, you know what? I'll parlay those bets. I'll put $100 on the both of them at once instead of betting 50 individually, and I ended up profiting a lot more money doing it that way. So remember, stay away from parlay bets, guys. They're sucker bets. And if two games that you really like are going on at once, that's the only time I would ever recommend parlay betting. So that's it for this video. I hope it helped you out. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Check out my other videos for more sports betting tips. And until next time, thanks for watching.